Hey loves, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? My name is Winnie Jean, and today I'm going to show you guys how I got this 30-inch bone straight look, and she's giving. Now I love a good middle part, but I normally go for a middle part with lots of layers, and I wanted to try something new today. Today's video is sponsored by UNice. They sent me over this 30-inch 5x5 closure unit. It is straight hair, and it also came pretty much prepared for a glueless install. It has an adjustable strap, lots of combs. She's that girl. And to prep her, I'm going in with a little bit of hairspray, and I'm spraying it along the edges just so I can kind of get everything slicked back, pressed out, and get an idea of what we're working with. This frontal came pre-plucked, and to be honest, it was already quite nice. I could have left it just like this, but I really wanted to go in and give her like some customization because I knew I wasn't going to do any baby hair, and if I'm not going to do baby hair, I need my hairline to be plucked to the gods. So I'm starting off by plucking along the edges, and then I parted off a section about 1/2 inch thick and continued to pluck in rows behind the edges until I had a really nice gradient effect. And once everything was plucked to my liking, I can go ahead and get my hair prepped for the install. I'm popping one of these HD wig caps on. I'm not going to do a bald cap method. I'm literally just going to tuck my braids into the back, and we're going to make it do what it do. I'm going in with a little bit of liquid foundation to go ahead and tint the cap. Since we're not going to do a bald cap method, I really want the colors to match my complexion. That's the least we could do at this point. And once I have the wig popped on, I'm going to go ahead and trim off these little side pieces that come along the closure. I don't want to glue those onto my head, so I cut those off as close as possible to the lace, and then I'm taking my scissors in a jagged motion and trimming the lace on the front of the wig. Of course, I'm going in with my Ebin active lace spray. I actually just ordered some new glue, so I'm going to be trying some new glue soon. I promise y'all. I feel like I have been dragging this into the ground, but it just works so well. Between my Ebin lace spray and my Bold Hold liquid golds, my glueless installs are stunning, okay? I put my foot in them. That's my specialty. I rarely use glue on my natural hair. I really have to be doing something to glue a wig down, or for like a 360 or something like that, I will go for it. I actually have a tutorial coming out for a 360 ponytail, and y'all are going to gag. The girls are gonna gag. The girls are gonna gag. The looks was looking. Anyway, back to the hair. My bad, I got distracted. So once everything is nice and laid down, I have my little edge band on. Y'all know the vibes. If you're familiar with my channel, you know how I do my install, so I don't want to bore y'all to death with that. While I have my edges melting, I'm going to go in and flat iron the rest of the hair in the back because y'all know I don't like to waste no time, honey. Let's get her done. And as you can see, the texture of this hair is gorgeous. It's straight hair. I washed it before I installed it, and it has a little bit of a wave to it, but once I hit it with that flat iron, it's giving silk. Silky press. Silky press for sure. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. I pressed it 1/2 at a time just because it can be a little bit not unmanageable. It's just a lot of long hair. So I wanted to make sure that I was getting the roots and taking my time and really pressing out the hair to the best of my ability or whatever. So once I have it nice and straight, I'm going in with a little bit of root cover up spray and cleaning up my part just a little bit. I'm taking a little bit of micellar water and just cleaning up my hairline a little bit if I have any extra hairspray on it, and I had to touch up my little makeup because I wiped it off. But this is what she's giving. I'm about to show you guys what the length looks like because of course we have to give her a little bit of trim. I'm trimming about 1/2 inch to 1 inch off just because I like for my wigs to look really nice and healthy. And then I'm going in with a little bit of this John Frieda Frizz Ease serum and then bumping the ends just to give it more of a polished look. I do my best to make sure that they're even, but baby, I cannot see from the back, so we're doing what we can. This is the finished look. The hair is laid, no baby hair, very bust down middle part baddie vibes. I've never worn my hair like this, but honestly, I get it. I get the hype now. It's just beautiful. It's very gorgeously like framing my face. It's giving soft, and I love that for me. As you can see, the hair is super long and it's really healthy feeling, like it's really good quality hair, super silky. Thank you again to UNice for working with me. I'm definitely gonna keep this wig in my collection. I have to have her. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, babes. $100 for the cheap spring on the nigga, bring a little bitch.